Camera. 8MP rear camera. 5MP front-facing camera. It's always worth saying, don't take photos with the tablet. Ultimately, if it is an absolute must, the Tab 4a Plus is better than most, if nothing, compared to almost any smartphone at a similar price point. The Lenovo camera interface itself is relatively clean and simple. The various modes and functions are clearly labeled and easy to see, while, in a nice touch, there is also an HDR function. The app performs fluidly too, for the most part. Not that this is of much use. Shots produced have a reasonable color representation and impression of detail, for a tablet, but fall to bits as soon as the lighting becomes challenging in the slightest. Typically, scenes are overexposed and washed out. In short, do not rely on this as your primary photographic device. In a business setting it will suffice for taking scans of notes and documents, however, with just enough detail present. Performance and benchmarks. Runs cool. Can handle a heavy load. As has been stressed several times throughout this review, good performance in a tablet at this price point is never a given. Luckily, the Lenovo Tab 4a Plus, while not reaching the laptop-like heights of the iPad Pro series, is certainly capable of running alongside smartphones at a similar price point. This is borne out by Geekbench results, where the Tab 4a Plus achieves an 851 single-core score and a 4202 multi-core one. Though benchmarks are never a true indicator of real-world usage, they are certainly useful for comparisons. Here we can see the beauty of Qualcomm's design. 8 low-power A53 cores are combined, running together when the performance requirements are high and individually when the pressure dies down. In addition to keeping the price down and performance at an adequate level, this also ensures that the chip is very power efficient. In all, those looking for a little more performance from a tablet will not be disappointed.